Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically, all we have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation tab you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. But if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with the square icon. So let me enter the recents, and as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps, and if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it just by finding it and swiping it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you do not have time to do it manually, just tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got the info that our device is now in optimal condition. But we can also enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent apps, which means that we successfully closed background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.